That QR code you printed should not suddenly stop working because a free trial ended. Welcome to QRBarista.com, where professional QR codes are expertly crafted for your business. Creating one is simple. Visit QRBarista.com, choose the type of code you need, and enter your information. Create a QR code for your website, WhatsApp, digital business card, Wi-Fi network, restaurant menu, event, payment link, and more. Next, customize it with your business colors, logo, frame, and call to action. Preview your design, test the code, and download a high-quality file ready for digital use or professional printing. Unlike generators that make everything dependent on a subscription, QRBarista lets you create permanent static QR codes that remain active without monthly payments. Need more control? Choose a dynamic QR code to change its destination after printing, monitor scans, and manage your campaigns from one secure dashboard. No complicated design process, no confusing setup, just smart professional QR codes created in minutes. Turn every business card, menu, poster, product, or sign into an instant connection. Visit QRBarista.com today and create your first QR code free. QRBarista, QR codes expertly crafted for business.